everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my brand new handbag. I got a new bag in this week, and this is not an unboxing because I've already opened it. But I'm really excited about it. It's my new bag for this fall and winter. And this is just meant to be one of those fun videos. I really enjoy designer handbags, and so this is just to share with you that share the same interest in designer bags. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I just can't wait to share the new bag with you. I am so excited for it. I think it is so cute. And then once I show you the bag, I'm going to tell you like a little backstory on getting this bag. But let me go ahead and just show you the bag because that's what everybody would have clicked on this video for. And then I can share with you a little bit of backstory after that. So I purchased my new Gucci bag from Nordstrom. So this is all that it came in. It didn't come in a Gucci box, unfortunately, but I did purchase from Nordstrom because of the easy return policy. I actually bought this bag just to look at first, like I just wanted to see it in person, and nobody around me would sell a Gucci handbag, so I had to order it. And so I was willing to sacrifice the Gucci box for the easy return policy, but I will not be returning it because I love it. And then inside the Gucci dust bag is a cotton lining, and I keep the straps, the metal straps, out of this, and I'll show you why, because of the more delicate fabric of this bag. So here is my new Gucci Marmont small shoulder bag. This is the crossbody style. It does not have a flap. And I did get this bag in the velvet, and this is the taupe shade. I think this is new this year. It is so beautiful to me. When I first saw it on the website, I thought, that looks so beautiful and autumn-like, and just, I think it would go so well with all the fall and winter outfits. And you can see it has the beautiful Gucci logo on the front, and on the back is the 2G stitching. It doesn't have the heart that you'll see in a lot of other different bags. This style has a little bit of the metal chain at the bottom, and then the rest of the strap is mostly leather. And the strap is adjustable. I previously purchased one of the even smaller version of this Gucci Marmont where the strap is not adjustable, and it was too long on me. I am 5'6", and it just was too low on my hip, and you can't adjust it, so I ended up sending that one back. But this one is adjustable. I do have a new Instagram photo up, so I'll leave my Instagram handle in the description bar, but it hits just perfectly as a crossbody when I have it on the shortest strap. So I am just in love. I love the velvet texture. It just looks so rich. It looks special, and then the taupe color is one of those beautiful neutral everyday colors, because when I wear a bag, I wear it everywhere, to the grocery store, out to eat for dinner at night, just running errands. Like, I don't change in and out of purses a whole lot, so I love a good everyday bag. I especially love one that can go from day to night, and I think this bag is going to be perfect for that. It has that special look to it, but the color is what really drew me in and got me to actually purchase it, because it's a neutral that will go with everything and I can get a lot of wear out of. Also, this shade is something I don't have. I have like a blush nude, I have black, I have brown with my Louis Vuitton, but this taupe color is just beautiful. And then the strap also is a more taupe than this. This is more of like a camel taupe, and then the strap is a beautiful like true taupe color. So I haven't actually put anything into this bag yet. It's still stuffed with paper, so let me take all the paper out. And the inside is this beautiful pink satin. It really is so pretty, but it's going to make things easy to find in this bag. Since it's not black or a dark color, you're going to be able to see everything that you have floating around in your bag. There is no zipper pocket on the inside, but it does have one slip pocket right in the back. So I grabbed my bag that I'm using right now. It's the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse. This crossbody bag holds so much, so I'm going to take everything out of it and see if everything that I have in here is going to fit into my new bag. So you're kind of getting a 2-for-1. You're kind of getting a what's in my bag, because I'm going to show you everything as I put it into here, and then you're also going to see how big this bag really is and how much it will hold. Okay, in the back pocket of this bag, I normally just keep my phone, but for some reason I had my card case back there as well. Sometimes I just like throw it in there because it's easiest. But I have a small card case that I use in every bag I own. I've had this card case for years, and I get so much use out of it. I don't use anything else really. So throw that in there. So in the back pocket of my Pochette Matisse, I have a little Ziploc baggie of Advil, a couple of Band-Aids, and a hair tie. I actually put those into the little slip pocket back here. It also has all the paperwork, which I just left in there, but of course I'll take those out. So we're going to start with the bigger back compartment of this one, and it's where I keep like most of my stuff because it's the biggest compartment in this bag. Okay, I have some paperwork for my daughter's dance class back here. I don't need to like put these in here, but I will anyway for the sake of the video. A package of Huggies cleansing wipes. These are a must-have with 2 little kids and a bunch of sticky fingers. And the rest I just kind of grabbed by the handful because there's so many little things back there. I have a mini version of the L'Occitane hand cream. an Urban Decay lipstick. This is the shade Morning After, one of my favorites, so I keep it in my bag. A mini of the Fresh Sugar Lip Balm. Some eye drops. I wear contact lenses, so I keep re-wetting drops in my bag. A little thing of gum, a pen, a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. This one is in Pillow Talk. My Dior Lip Glow. This is the original 001 Pink. I wear this all the time, so it stays in my bag as well. And this was a little mini sample of the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I do have this in the full size, but I guess I got this as a deluxe sample, so I keep it in my bag anytime I need to apply sunscreen when I forgot, or I'm out in the sun and didn't expect to be, so I just like keep this in my bag for emergencies. Now the front pocket of this one. I have a little Ziploc baggie full of puffs for my son, like if we go to a restaurant. Some blotting papers, a package of wet ones, a purse pack of Kleenex. Okay, last two things. I have a gift card and also another lip product. This is a Sephora Melting Lip Clicks, another everyday favorite, so it's also in my bag. Oh, and of course my phone. I need to put that right up top so it's accessible. So it definitely all fits. It's not as spread out and spacious as my Pochette Matisse, but it all fits fine without making the bag misshapen. Like I don't feel like I've stuffed it to the brim and I can't fit another thing in there. It all fits fine. I might have to dig to the bottom a little bit more for lip products, but I could also pare down this. I normally don't have just a ton of crap in my bag. I usually keep it pretty minimal and pared down. So I can pare this down just a little bit, but if I needed all of this stuff, I could definitely pack it all. Let's see if I can fit a pair of sunglasses up top, because that's the only other thing that sometimes I carry and would like to see if it fits. So I have a pair of Key Australia Aviators, and I'll put it in its little pouch, and it is not fitting very easily. I could probably shove it in there, but I don't want to. I want to be careful with my sunglasses, so I would have to take out a couple of things in order to get a little sunglass pouch in there. But that is okay. I am still in love with this bag. It holds plenty, especially for a crossbody. I will not wear anything else but a crossbody now that I'm a mom. I need free hands. I need it to be easily accessible. Okay, so a little bit of the backstory that I was going to tell you. I have been wanting a Gucci Marmont bag for 2, maybe going on 3 years now. I went into Neiman's one day and I looked at the Gucci Soho Disco and then one of the Marmont bags, and I ended up going with the Soho Disco that time. I still kind of wanted one of the Marmont bags. They got really big, really popular. Everybody has one now, but there wasn't one that my heart just loved. I really liked them. I wanted one, but the color selection, I wasn't just sold on one over the other. This past summer, I really liked the cream one, but that's the one I ordered in this smaller size, and the strap was just too long for me. So I sent that one back. So really, I've just been waiting. I don't want to buy a bag just because everyone has it and it's popular right now. I truly have to love it. I have to wear the heck out of it to get my money's worth. Cost per wear better be really low if I'm going to spend this much on a bag. So instead of buying one that I just wasn't head over heels for, I've just been waiting. I've loved my Soho Disco. I would not get rid of that one, and I'm glad I made that purchase. So when I saw this one, I was like, yes, this is it. This is the Gucci Marmont that I have been waiting on. I'm a little bit nervous about the velvet. I know that it will ruin in the rain, so I will not be carrying this on rainy days or possibility of a rainy day. But other than that, I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube and they said that the wear and tear was not nearly as bad as you would think. Now I know if you leave the metal strap pressed in too long, it will leave a little indentation. Can you kind of see that one right there? But that you can brush it out. So that's why I had it stored the way that I did. I put the body of the bag inside, and then I left the straps laid outside and then put all of that into the Gucci dust bag. So I think that's going to help it be stored properly without getting marks and indentions from this metal. So yeah, we'll just have to see about wear and tear, but I am not very careful with my bags. I don't baby them. So if there is a little bit of wear and tear, it's going to be my fault, and that's okay because I know that. Like, I don't want to walk on eggshells with a bag. Like, it's for a use. It's to carry all of my stuff It's to carry all of my stuff around daily. I do have kids, so that's just the nature of the beast. Like, something is probably going to happen to this bag, but hopefully the velvet holds up well and I am able to have it for a very long time. So I think that's it. I just wanted to share with you my new bag. I think that's all I really wanted to talk about. I wanted to put all of my stuff into there and see if it fit. So this video is more just like a chat with my girlfriends. I want to just be like, look at my new toy. Isn't it pretty? Do you like it? You know, it's just fun, girly things that I just wanted to share with you. Also, I wore like a fall burgundy shirt today so I could just show you how beautiful is this color with all like the fall colors. This will be pretty with olive green and with a camel and nude, and it'll even go with black and brown. Like, I don't think there's anything that I can't wear it with. And a neutral bag that goes with anything and everything is one of my biggest decision-making factors. So that's why I went with this one, and I just can't wait to wear it. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are a handbag lover, what is on your wish list? What handbag do you have your eye on, or what handbag would you love to have in the future? What is your dream bag? Let me know in the comments down below because I would love to know. Also, if you haven't subscribed, be sure and do so down below as well. I would love to have you back for future videos. So once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.